Hello and welcome to this new video on how to contact Agoda customer service email. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar. Now you just have to type Agoda email address and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you and the email address of Agoda will be given to you. Now you just have to copy that email address and open a new web page. Now you just have to go back to your email, and when you're inside the email, you just have to look on the left hand side. There will be a compose button. Just click on the compose button, and when the email composition box is open, you just have to paste the email address that you have copied recently of the Agoda. Now you just have to write your subject, and you can just write down the body or the things that you want to write down, and when you click on the send button, it will be sent to Agoda. So this is how you can contact Agoda customer service email. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.